Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang Ash Dress Unscripted Off-Cam Part 14. So without further ado, let's all watch this. This is came from Loving Hopi. Tingnan natin. There's no initial awkwardness.
It's very nice. Parang we are already to vibe.
Wapo niya, no? Iba siya.
Gusto na yan ha? Ash dress.
Dress guys, hello.
Okay, last question from GBD_. Andres, after working with Ashlyn,
What are the traits that you admire or like about her? Ay,
Okay, si Ash.
being sweet to me. Inalagaan niya po ako. Ano kaya work hardworking? She's good in acting. Okay. Ay, iba yung smile niya nung si Ashley nung pinag-usapan. Nakita mo, nagkaunting smile siya. Nag-usap kasi siya off cam. Ayan. Oo. Hmm? Baka nga hindi lang usap, baka magka-text pa nga yan sila eh. What do you think? Cheers! What do you think? Okay. Ay. Meron daw sige, wala. Hindi ko na mention. But for sure, magkakaroon pa yan sila ng project. Magkakaroon pa yan sila. Huwag na tayong sad. Huwag na tayong sad. Magkakaroon pa yan sila ng projects. That's for sure. So much wrong. I love the version. Ay, di ba? You cannot deny the fact that there is something going on between these two. Seriously. Meron talaga. Kahit sabihin mo hindi sila magka-eye-to-eye contact. Meron talaga. Oh, Ashlyn fixing his hair. Oh, di ba? May paayos-ayos pa talaga ng buhok. The closer I get to touch. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. At twinkle in. Di ba? Yung off-cam talaga nila. Ito pala yun eh. Dito pala natin ito makikita. Okay. Actually, this is the second video na nagawa ko na reaction video kay Loving Hopi. Ay, ganda ng shirt mo ah. Cute. Parang binibibi niya doon, no? Aba, ganda ng shirt mo ah. Parang binibibi niya doon.
Sikat kaya
Di ba? Eksena talaga sila, B. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, there is something, may project man sila or wala. Naniniwala ako sa dalawang to. Pero hindi tayo sure mamaya kay Robin doon sa kanilang tibok na music video. Wala lang, basta importante, I support them. Robin, Andres, and Ashlyn, go. It's too early naman siguro to claim na maging sila, diba? Si Ash Justin ba yung kumakanta? Parang boses niya. Ay, dear, ang lala niyan. Ang lala niya mga ganyang gesture. Gigil talaga. Gigigil pala siya. Nanggigigil pala siya. Diyos ko, ang gigil ni Andres. Hoy! Ngayon ko lang yung nakita. Ganda ng kanta. Ay, eyes don't lie. Naglalak pa.
Di ba, Andres?
Ah,
Kayo na ho yan, Lola?
ay ano to? Ito yung purse. Ay, hello. Ay, she's just happy jumping with Andres suddenly. Nakalimutan siguro nila nasa set. Nakalimutan nila nasa set sila, babe. Jeez, bakit naman nakalimutan?
Kaya mo yan. Para kay Ann.
Ay. All the sad memories. And I really need to show how deep is your love.
Challenge ni Jackie.
Basta masasayo, kakayanan ko ang lahat. Oy, Andres! Bakit nasasaktan?
See you and me. Ah, bakit nag-ano? Okay. Ayan, reaction. Anyways, wait lang, i-forward natin to.
Signal na ako.
Ay, ang gwapo. Sino yung macho na yun? Boyfriend ba ni Kim Molina yun? Dito. Asan sila? Ayun pala sila nagtatago. Ay, andito yun si Ash eh. Dito yung banda. Di ba? Oo, andyan si Ash. Daddy, di mo kaya. Ang daddy-in-law. At tinitinan talaga kung paano i-assist ni daddy-in-law ang kanyang wifey. Charis! Baka minamaltrato. Charis, hindi siya papayag na mamaltratuhin. Eme! Chika lang. I really need to show how deep is your love. Them happily dancing. Okay. To lie yourself in the world. Ay, ito napanood na natin to kahapon, yung Andres. Andres, oo nga. Anyways, napanood na natin yung kahapon. There you go guys, that is our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!